In the previous lecture, we installed the WordPress on our HostGator account. So before started working on WordPress, I would like to share real quick overview on HostGator account itself. So if you decide to go with HostGator, you will get an additional value that what things you are going to get with HostGator account. Even if you decide to go with any other hosting providers, you will get the same things. The differences will be just in interface, and this will be very valuable, and you will know what things we always get with our hosting accounts. That's why I was not able to skip this. But if you are already familiar with the stuff we get in the hosting accounts, feel free to skip this video. So let's log into our HostGator account. For that, we will click on sign in and then portal. Here we will write our email and click on next and then password. So we are logged into our HostGator account. So let's overview this complete panel. The very first option is dashboard, under which we can see our name as well as our website name and some hosting package details, like our package is shared and it's hatchling under shared, and some quick links through which we can access different parts of our hosting account. Next we have hosting. Under this we can see our website name and ID, then type, which is shared, renewal date, and status active. There are two most important tabs. The very first one is manage. If I click on manage, as well as there is another tab which is cPanel. So let's first check what we get with the manage tab. So if we click on manage, we can see different tabs like cPanel, email accounts, install WordPress, databases, add-ons, my PHP admin, file manager. And if we click on settings, then we have some more information about our server, then primary domain, then password, and there is an option to request a migration from HostGator staff. Like if you decide to migrate your website from one WordPress to another WordPress, you can get their service. Next we have billing tab. So next we have marketplace. Under this we have different types of tools like CodeGuard, Constant Contact, Google Workspace, and some page builders, also the WordPress. So right now we are not going to use any one of them in this course, and this is just an overview. Then we have email and office tab. Under this tab you can create a professional email for your business, like my domain is WP site for business, so I can create support or contact at wpsiteforbusiness.com. Next we have domains tab. Under this tab we will see our domain with expiration date, renewal is already activated, lock, it's secure, so privacy is unchecked because we unchecked this while purchasing this hosting. So next we have billing. Under this we have our billing information. You can change your billing details as well. Next we have very important tab, which is support. Their support is excellent. If you ever face any issue with your WordPress website, even after installation of WordPress, you are not able to log into your WordPress, you can easily call them or start a live chat. They will be in your contact within 5 minutes. So in the last, I would like to share a most important side of your hosting account. Like if you go to the hosting, you will see an option of cPanel here. If we click on this, it will redirect us to the cPanel of our hosting account. Here we have all the options that are related to backend of our website. Like if you go to the file manager, you will see all the coded file of your WordPress website. Here on domain, you will see your domains. By add-on domains, you can add a new domain. And let's suppose you want to install a new WordPress, or you want to see your current WordPress installation. You can simply find this Softaculous app installer section, and under this you will see a WordPress tab. By clicking on this, you will see your current installation, which is wpsiteforbusiness.com, and there are some options like you can access your WordPress. Next we have create staging, then we have clone, backup, edit details, or remove site. So even if you ever interested in WordPress installation from cPanel, you can simply click on install now, and from here you can select the domain and fill some fields like site name, site description, admin username, password, and then simply click on install now, and it will take 2 minutes to install your WordPress. So these are some points that are very important to understand regarding the hosting account, and I am sure these points going to help you in future as well.